Good morning everyone, this is Urvashi Kalra. Today I am going to discuss these subtopics of algebraic expression with you. First one is term, then constant term, coefficient, power, degree, like and unlike term, and last but not the least is types of algebraic expression. Means today you will get a brief summary of algebraic expression. All the term which we use in algebraic expression today you will get it in the single video. Now come to term. What do you mean by term? Each term in an expression is separated by the sign of plus or minus. Okay, means supposedly an algebraic expression is given to you. Supposedly first one is 2x plus 7y. Okay, so each term, हर एक term in this expression, इस expression में every term is separated by the sign of plus or minus. Means wherever you will get the sign of plus or minus, that then the next term will get started. So in this we are having two terms. इसमें हमारी two terms है. In this we are having two terms. First one is 2x and second one is 7y. Okay, as sign of plus is given to you. आपके पास यहाँ पर किस चीज का sign है? Plus का sign है, means second term will get started. So, let us take one more example. Supposedly if you are having 7y minus 24z plus 3. Supposedly if we are having this. So in this, as you can see, this is first term, this is second term, and this is third term. So with the sign of plus or minus, the next term will get started. Next term start हो जाती है. First term is 7y. In this we are having positive sign with 7. Second term is 24z, but this one is negative term. कौन सी टर्म है ये? नेगेटिव टर्म है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई पुट अ साइन ऑफ माइनस हियर. एंड थर्ड टर्म इज 3. थर्ड टर्म क्या है हमारी? 3. सो यू हैव टू पुट द साइन बिफोर द टर्म. आपको हर टर्म से पहले साइन भी लगाना होगा. In this, as both terms are positive, that's why I not put the sign before 2x and 7y. Because if there is no sign before the term, means that number is positive one, na? Okay. So these are the terms. Now come to constant term. This is same as like term. The term without variable is known as constant term. Supposedly if you are having this example, यही example ले लीजिए, minus 24z plus 3. In this you are having three terms, but this term is having a variable. इसमें एक variable है, variable is y. In this we are also having a variable. Variable is z. In this we are not having any variable. इस term में हमारे पास कोई भी variable नहीं है. That term is known as constant term. Means in this expression constant term is 3. Constant term क्या है इस expression में हमारे? 3, जिसमें variable नहीं है. I hope you know the meaning of variable and how to form an expression. If you don't know the video, you can check my previous video. I will share the link to you in description box of that video. Okay, now come to the next one. So next one is coefficient. What do you mean by coefficient? Coefficient is the numerical value before the variable. कि variable से पहले जो भी आपको numerical value given होगी, that is known as coefficient. Supposedly if I am having 2x minus 7y square. Okay, if I am having this. So in this we are having two variables. First one is x, second one is y square. So we have to write it as like this. Supposedly coefficient of x is, x का coefficient क्या है? x से पहले जो भी numerical value है, means जो भी number है, before x we are having 2. So coefficient of x is 2. x का coefficient क्या हुआ? 2. Now second variable is y square. Coefficient of y square is 7 or minus 7. What will be is? It will be minus 7. You have to put the value with their sign. जो भी उनके sign है उनके साथ ही आपको उनकी value लिखनी है. So its coefficient is minus 7. Means y square से पहले कौन सा हमारे पास number है? Number is minus 7. So coefficient of y square is minus 7. And supposedly you are having z as well. Okay. So coefficient of z is, with z we are having 1. z के साथ क्या है? If we write z or 1z, both are same, दोनों same होते हैं, but generally we use this one. We will not use this. Means if any variable is given to you, before that we are having 1, उसके आगे क्या होता है हमारे पास 1, means coefficient of z is 1, z का coefficient कितना हुआ हमारे पास 1. if minus z is given to you, then we will write here -1. अगर यहाँ minus z होता तो z का coefficient क्या आ जाता -1. now come to power. what do you mean by power? the value of exponent of any variable. कि कोई भी आप वेरिएबल ले लीजिए, उसके एक्सपोनेंट की जो भी वैल्यू होगी, दैट इज नोन एज पावर. वो क्या कहलाती है? पावर. आई एम टेकिंग दिस सेम एक्सप्रेशन 2x माइनस 7y² प्लस z. ओके, सो वेरिएबल की जो भी पावर होगी, दैट इज नोन एज, वेरिएबल का जो भी एक्सपोनेंट होगा, दैट इज नोन एज पावर. सो पावर ऑफ x इज, x की कितनी पावर है? x के साथ देखिए यहाँ कुछ नहीं है तो क्या है हमारे पास 1. सो पावर ऑफ x इज 1. नाउ पावर ऑफ y, पावर ऑफ y, y की पावर देखेंगे, y के साथ क्या है एक्सपोनेंट? y के साथ एक्सपोनेंट है 2. सो पावर ऑफ y इज 2. नाउ कम टू z, z के साथ क्या है यहाँ पर पावर 1. ओके, इट मीन्स कि कितने टाइम कोई भी नंबर आपके पास आ रहा है. आई होप यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. एक्सपोनेंट मीन्स जो हम पावर में लिखते हैं किसी भी वेरिएबल के साथ या फिर किसी भी नंबर के साथ. सपोजिटली इफ आई एम हैविंग 7x³, so I can write it as 7 into x means x will be multiplied 3 times. So we can write this as like this. इसको हम अलग अलग लिखने की बजाय we can write it as like this now, means x raised to the power 3. So whatever the power is known as exponent. Supposedly if I am having z only, so in this means z is one time na, so I can write it as z raised to the power 1 as well. So its power will be 1. In this way we will write the power. Okay, now come to the next one. That is degree. What do you mean by degree? Degree is known as the highest power of any algebraic expression. So highest power of any expression is known as the degree of the expression. Supposedly if you are having 2x plus 3y minus 2z². Okay, in this firstly you have to check the power. Power of x is 1, power of y is 1, power of z is 2. z की पावर कितनी है 2. so highest power कौन सी है इस पूरी एक्सप्रेशन में? as highest power is 2, so its degree will be 2. इसकी डिग्री क्या हो जाएगी हमारे पास 2. okay, highest power is known as degree. supposedly I am taking some more examples. -7y³ plus 3z² minus m. In this you have to check the highest power. In this power is 3, 2 and in this we are having 1. So highest power is 3, so degree is also 3. Now take one more example. Supposedly you are having 4xy² plus 3xy minus 2z. Okay, so in this case for checking the degree, what you have to do, degree of this term और power of this term is, इसकी कितनी पावर है? x की पावर कितनी है 1, y की पावर कितनी है 2. so 1 plus 2. so power of this term is 3. इस term की पावर कितनी हुई हमारे पास 3. in this we are having power of x is 1, power of y is 1, so its power will be 3. इस term की पावर 2, its power will be 2. in this we are having 1 only, so its power will be 1. Now you have to check the highest power. Highest power is 3, means its degree is 3. I hope you get it. If you are having 2 or more than 2 variables, then how you will calculate the power? तब आप power कैसे calculate करेंगे? You have to add the power of each variable. हर variable की power को क्या कर दीजिए? Add, you will get the total power of that term. Okay. Now come to next one, that is like and unlike term. Like और unlike term क्या होती है? As the name suggests, like means same एक जैसा and unlike means different जो एक जैसा ना हो. So like term are the term with same variable. वो term जिनमें variable कैसे होते हैं? Same होते हैं, are known as like term. Supposedly if I am taking the example 2x and 3x minus 4x In this variable are same, variable are x, so these all are like term. ये कैसी term है? Like term है सारी की सारी. Okay, if supposedly I take 4xy comma minus 5/7 yx. Okay, so in this our variable is xy, in this also variable is xy. Okay, so only the जैसे हम इनको लिखा, हमने लिखा एक्स वाई, यहाँ पर लिखा वाई एक्स, दी वेरिएबल्स आर सेम ना, वेरिएबल तो सेम है, उनका लिखने का तरीका ही तो अलग है. सो मीन दीज आर लाइक टर्म, वेरिएबल क्या है हमारे, सेम है. एंड रिमेंबर दिस, in unlike terms, supposedly if I am having the same 2x or 3x square, in this variable are different, in this variable is x, in this variable is x square, so these are unlike term. Okay, पावर भी उनकी कैसी होनी चाहिए, सेम होनी चाहिए. So these are unlike term. Or I can take an example of supposedly 2x and 4mn. The variables are different, means these are unlike term. And remember this, order doesn't matter, इनका order matter नहीं करता है variables का. Okay, so these are like and unlike term. Now come to the last but not the least, that is types of expression. Types of algebraic expression. First one is monomial. What do you mean by monomial? Monomial is the expression which contains only one term. As the name suggests, mono means one, जिसमें एक ही term होगी, that is known as monomial. Supposedly if I am having 2x, this is a monomial, एक ही term है ना. Next one, if I am having 7y, only one term is there, so these are the examples of monomial. Second one is binomial, which contain two terms. Bi means two, as the name suggests, bi means two, so the algebraic expression which contains two terms are known as binomial. Supposedly if I take 2x minus 7y, in this we are having two terms, this is first term, this is a second term. As I told you, terms are separated by the sign of plus or minus, so this one is binomial. Supposedly I am taking one more example, minus 2y plus 7z. In these we are having again the two terms, so these are known as binomial. Okay, supposedly I am having 2mn plus 4yz. These also are binomial, as these are having two terms. Now come to trinomial. Trinomial are the expression which contain three terms, जिसमें तीन term होती हैं, are known as trinomial. Supposedly if I am having 2x minus 4y plus 5z, in this we are having three terms, first term, second term and third term, so this is known as trinomial. And remember that the variable must be different. Variable कैसे होने चाहिए, different. Why? Because if you take the same variable, supposedly if you are having 4x plus 2x minus 4y, ओके, ये ट्राइनोमियल लग रहा है आपको देखने में, यू कैन रीड इट एज ट्राइनोमियल और टेल इट दैट दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज ट्राइनोमियल एज यू आर हैविंग थ्री टर्म्स. बट एज द वेरिएबल आर सेम, जब भी वेरिएबल सेम होते हैं यू कैन ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट देम, आप उन्हें प्लस और माइनस कर सकते हो. सो वी कैन ऐड देम. 4 plus 2 is 6x minus 4y. So this trinomial, जो आपको this seems to be trinomial but actually this is a बायनोमियल. ये आपको दिख रहा था कि ये ट्राइनोमियल है, बट एक्चुअल में क्या है, ये बायनोमियल है. सो इन केस ऑफ बायनोमियल, ट्राइनोमियल एंड पोलिनोमियल एज वेल, द वेरिएबल मस्ट बी डिफरेंट. वेरिएबल कैसे होने चाहिए, डिफरेंट. सपोजिटली आई कैन टेक इट एज लाइक दिस, 2x प्लस 4x स्क्वायर. नाउ वेरिएबल्स आर डिफरेंट ना, वेरिएबल डिफरेंट हो गए हैं. एंड सपोजिटली 7x क्यूब. In this all the three variables are different. You can take this as trinomial but not as this one. This is not the trinomial, this is the binomial. Okay, now come to polynomial, the last one. So polynomial is the algebraic expression which contain two or more terms, जिसमें दो या दो से ज्यादा term होती है, are known as polynomial. So basically according to this definition, binomial and trinomial both are पोलिनोमियल. ये भी हमारे कैसे होते हैं, पोलिनोमियल. मींस मोनोमियल को छोड़ के all these are known as polynomial. Supposedly if I am having 2x plus 5y, this is binomial, and you know that binomial is a polynomial. You can take the example which contain as many terms as you can write it. Plus 7mn minus 3z plus 2y. These are the examples of a polynomial. This is the expression which is polynomial. It contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Okay. So the expression which contain 2 or more terms are known as a polynomial. Thank you everyone. I hope you like the video and you get all the concept. If you still find any difficulty, you can comment me. I will resolve your doubt. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.